Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the agent Activation Runtime 15831 is experiencing high CPU and memory consumption and usage on your Windows 10 device. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now I will have two commands in the description of the video. You can copy and paste each one in one at a time. I'm just going to type it out because they're not very long. First one's going to be net stop audio SVR. So I'm just going to type that in here. So net space stop space audio SRV. So I said SVR, I meant to say SRV, how you see it on my screen and how it will be in the description of the video too, guys. So again, net stop audio SRV, all lowercase, hit enter on your keyboard. And then once it says it was stopped successfully, type in net space start audio SRV, exactly how it appears on my screen, hit enter. And once you've done that, hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.